this tutorial, we are going to be looking at HTML basic structure. Alright, so we are going to be making use of Trip Edit as our code editor. If you have not watched out for my previous video on how to use Trip Edit, you can do it to go watch out. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is actually the software we're going to be making use of, Trip Edit. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do, you click on the menu bar, the button, click on this 4-dot icon, click on it. So the next thing we're going to do, click on projects. So click on projects. Now we're going to be creating a new folder for this project. Remember we said HTML basic. So we're going to be naming it HTML basic. So the next thing you're going to do, you click on this new project. So okay, you name your project. You can give your project any particular name regardless. Click OK. Alright, so you can see that our project or folder has been created up here. It. So the next thing we're going to do, click back on this particular on the folder you just created. Click back on the folder you just created here. Okay, now when you click on the folder, you can see everything is blank, like it's empty. So we're going to be creating what I call new file. Alright, click on this plus icon to create a new file. Now once you get here, you click on this particular one, say new file, click on it. So you're going to be naming this file index.html, index.html, then you click OK. Alright, so we're going to be opening the index.html. Click back on this index.html. Alright, so we're going to click on it. Alright, so this is actually the interface that we'll be working with. This is our code editor. So now, we said HTML basic. So what is actually HTML? HTML stands for what? Hypertext markup language. Building a website is just like building a house. In a house you have to give it a solid foundation, give a skeletal structure of that particular house. So it's actually the same with HTML. It's actually the same with HTML. It's the most basic building block. Yes, it is actually the most basic building block of the web. It can be used software developers, web developers, marketing, business, enterprises can still use HTML. You get it? So now we are not just using Trip Edit. This is actually a mobile editor that we found useful to use during this our coding. You can as well use other different editors, just like when you are using PC, you can actually use VS Code, Sublime Text, Notepad++, to code. You get it, with to code HTML. So you can as well use those one. We're actually using this particular software, which is actually for mobile users and is user friendly. The next thing is CSS. CSS stand for cascading style sheet. You use it allows you to change the style, the colors, the appearance of the web page or website. Look so appealing. It looks so nice. Whenever you visit the website, you will be wowed. Yeah, that is the work of the CSS. Now the next thing is JavaScript. JavaScript add functionality to the web page. So we've come to the end of this class. Do well to watch out my other videos. See you in our next class.